Hey folks, Kelly McGee here. We caught a possum and we're gonna cook it. As soon as my brothers get it cleaned up, we're gonna get with it. We've had a lot of subscribers ask for this video. Amy Till, this is for you. Okay, we got the fire rolling. Let's put the grease in. We love to use bacon grease. All right, now we gotta quarter this baby up and get it in the skillet. Thank you, Uncle Jesse and Aunt Sharon, for the new cutting board. Now we're gonna bread this baby with Camp Dog seasoning. Now we're gonna put it in the oven so that it will be tender.
All right, guys, it's time to eat this food. Look at that. Good stuff right there. All right, let's see what we got here. Pull out this leg. Now, as you notice, this is Caleb's video, and this is Caleb right here. David caught the possum, but Caleb just sort of took over this show, which was fine. So we're gonna cut this up right quick and try it out for you on camera. We are gonna tell you how it tastes. All right, everybody, let's get it. Dig in, dig in. It ain't that hot now. Oh, matter of fact, it's perfect. Oh, my goodness. You ain't gonna like it. Too good. Tell them what you think, Caleb. He ain't gonna talk, he's gonna eat. My goodness. Folks, that is unbelievable. Partially because of the Camp Dog seasoning. If you'll go down in the comments, look for a guy down there named Camp Dog, subscribe to his channel, and you'll find out a lot about this Cajun food. And he also sells Camp Dog seasoning. What y'all doing? Laughing? They making fun of me? Drop down the comments and let me know when these guys make fun of me behind my back, all right? So anyway, that's the story on the possum. As you see, the table's set. We're fixing together as a family. We're going to gobble this thing up like nobody's business. But that's all we got for you today. We appreciate you. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Mom, it's good. Look at them fighting over it.